Magnesium supplements are catching on as helpful adjuncts for maintaining general health, and there are very good reasons to support this trend. Primarily, magnesium deficiency is difficult to diagnose. The plasma levels of magnesium can be quite deceptive. A normal magnesium level does not rule out the possibility of magnesium deficiency in the body. Only about 1% of the total magnesium in the body is found in the blood. The other 99% is stored in the bones, the muscles, and the other organs. The level of magnesium in the body is regulated by the intestines, the kidneys, and the sweat glands. Because there is constant exchange of magnesium between the tissues, bones, and the blood, the body is able to maintain normal magnesium blood levels even when there's a relative deficiency of magnesium. This creates a problem, as the level of magnesium in the blood often falls only when the deficiency has reached an advanced stage. Doctors, therefore, may only detect a deficiency through blood testing after the deficiency has already become severe. Detecting mild to moderate deficiency often requires a laborious magnesium loading test, or, in rare cases, a muscle biopsy. The inconvenience of these procedures causes many people with magnesium deficiency to fall through the cracks. This, combined with the fact that roughly 60% of the population is estimated to consume less magnesium than the recommended 320 milligrams for women or 420 milligrams for men, makes magnesium deficiency a widespread clinical phenomenon. This is a serious public health problem because low magnesium levels have been associated with diabetes, atherosclerosis, heart attacks, strokes, and osteoporosis. Magnesium is involved in the contractility of muscles and plays a key role in regulating the contractility of smooth muscle in the walls of blood vessels, which may contribute to high blood pressure in magnesium deficient states. Abnormalities in muscle contractility within the heart may also lead to irregular heartbeats and, in extreme cases, sudden death. Adequate magnesium intake has been associated with a decreased risk of all of these outcomes. So, how do you know if you're magnesium deficient? Signs of magnesium deficiency may include muscle cramps, fatigue and muscle soreness, irregular heartbeats, muscle weakness, sleep disorders, headaches, depression, constipation, and numbness or tingling. While many foods contain magnesium, such as nuts, cereals, and vegetables, many of us do not eat enough of these foods to reach the recommended daily allowance for magnesium. If magnesium deficiency risk is high, supplements are an excellent way to avoid magnesium deficiency and the substantial risks that come with it. Several scientific papers report strong magnesium citrate benefits, and magnesium glycinate supplements have been used for conditions as diverse as sleep disturbances and migraine headaches. These forms are generally well tolerated and are easily absorbed, making them useful options for people who need to support healthy magnesium levels. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and share the video. You can support the channel by subscribing. Until the next video, stay healthy and stay safe.